Do you say, oh no, I'm a bad person, I lost level 1? Of course not. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Before we start, I want you to do me a favor. Yes, take a deep breath and relax your shoulders because today you don't need a notebook, you don't need to memorize any grammar rules. I just want you to listen to my voice and follow my story. So we are always scared of being wrong, aren't we? We stay silent because we are afraid of a small mistake. Today I want to tell you why your mistakes are actually your best friends. Now, think about your favorite video game. When you play for the first time, do you win instantly? No. You fall, you lose, your character dies, but when you fall in a game, do you feel ashamed? Do you say, oh no, I'm a bad person, I lost level 1? Of course not. You laugh, you learn where the trap is, and you try again. Learning English is exactly like a video game. Every time you say he go instead of he goes, it's just a small game over. It doesn't mean you are bad at English. It just means you found a spot where you need to practice. And remember, the more you die in the video game, the faster you learn how to win. I want to tell you a secret. People who speak perfect English but stay quiet learn nothing. But the person who speaks broken English with confidence, they get the job, make the friends, and they travel the world. Why? I'm telling you why. Because communication is not about perfection, it's about connection. If you say, I hungry, food where? I understand you. The connection is made. If you wait 10 minutes to find the perfect grammar in your head, the conversation is already over. Right now, you are listening to me, but you are not studying. But your brain is working. It's hearing how I use but, how I use break, and how I pause. By just listening to this story, you are becoming more familiar with the rhythm of English. You are doing the hard work without the hard stress, and that's the best way to learn. So, next time you speak and make a mistake, I want you to smile. Think of it as a level up. You are brave enough to try, and that makes you better than 90% of people who are too scared to speak. I'm so glad you spent this few minutes with me today. No homework, no stress, just growing. Keep listening and keep dreaming, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.